If you have oily skin, this is going to blow your mind. I bought these 3 oils a couple of months ago, and I know you're probably thinking like, okay, these just look like normal oil serums, right? Wrong. This is my entire skincare routine in just 3 products. And the kicker, this one is actually a cleanser. And I know what you're thinking, ew, isn't your skin oily AF after using that as a cleanser? The opposite. It cleans all the makeup and gunk out of my pores without stripping the natural oils from my skin. So I'm just left with a healthy, radiant glow. And since I started using it, my skin has literally stopped overproducing oils. It's amazing. And the other 2 have noticeably brightened and tightened my skin. And they're super concentrated, so they last a long time. My skin has never looked better. So if you want your skin to be lighter, brighter, firmer, and radiant, these are 1000% worth the money.